Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Did you ever tried using Canva Pro to make your project? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva Pro like professional and also use it to complete your project in easy and simple steps. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see in my computer, I'm having what would you like to use to do is Canva Pro. After purchasing Canva Pro, you are going to be seeing these features. And also among these features, you're going to be selecting the one you are going to be using to do with this Canva professional plan you have already purchased. Let's say I want to be using it to create videos, I want to be using it to plan and promote events, I want to be using it for social media, or I want to be using to start or grow my business. Let me tick this one. You can also be ticking more. You have 3 options to be taken. After this, I have to click next. After clicking next, you can see welcome to Canva Pro. You just given your business competitive edge. As you can see, I'm going to be setting my brand. If you want to be setting your brand now, you need to be setting it right away. I don't need it. I have to click no right now. After clicking on this one, you can see they're opening my Canva Pro dashboard that I'm going to be using. Here I'm having my recent designs, including all those designs I did in also Canva Free. To show you how you can be using Canva like a professional, I'm gonna be also showing you different features you can be able to exploit from this Canva Pro plan. First, let's start exploring how you can be designing with Canva Pro. Starting with this first part on our left side, you can see we have projects. Once you click on the project, you're going to be seeing different kind of project you have already designed. You can see one, you click there, you have all, and also you can be having all different recent project you have been making with Canva. You have also templates. Once I click on templates, you can see I'm going to be having all the templates in Canva. Remember, I'm using Canva Pro. I don't have any limitation between the templates I'm going to be using, and also I'm having all the templates I can be accessing them to. For instance, if I scroll down here, you can see I have this design, multiplication of fractions. You can see this Pro plan. This premium reason is included with your Canva Pro plan. This shows that I'm eligible to use this plan because I'm using Canva Pro. Now you can be able to select which kind of templates do you need. Are there for the businesses? Are there for docs, presentations? Are there whiteboards? You have everything you need. You can see if I click on this whiteboard, you can see most of the features here are for Canva Pro. I have this one, and also if you can see this mark is for Canva Pro, and also because I'm using Canva Pro, I can be able to access all these professional plans. Now let's go to plans. Once you see plans, you can see this plan is only reserved for someone who is having Canva Pro. So if you can see this tick mark, this shows that only person with Canva Pro can be able to use this brand icon or brand feature. So now if I click on it, you are going to see how I'm going to be getting these brand kits. You can be deciding to set up your brand kits. Now let's try to set up our brand kits by clicking here. It's very simple. I have to click on it. Once you are done clicking on it, they are also telling you and they are bringing different features for you to follow. First of all, you need to be uploading your logo because you need to create your brand kit as well. After that, you need to choose colors palette. You can add a new color. As you can see, you have selector where you can be selecting different colors depending on your brands. So once you're done, now you have to add it. So you can add a new one. You can also add the fonts, including the titles. Here is you can be editing the fonts, subheadings, subsections, body, quote, captions. You can also add brand voice. Add your brand voice if you have one. Now you can be writing your brand voice here. Upload photos, graphics, icons, and more. You can see those are the ones they're also telling us to fill out for us to set up our brand kits. Canva also has different applications that you can be able to use to be able to finalize your project professionally, and you can see it here. If I click on these apps, you can see it is going to be up opening different applications. You can use it with Amazon creators. As you can see, I have this one. Let's click here, try Amazon creators. Use in existing design. You can use in new design or in existing design. Let me choose my project, or let me use it in new design because I'm gonna be doing the new project with Amazon design or Amazon creators. As you can see, if I open this one, I'm opening whiteboards. I'm gonna be getting this one. What you can be able to do now, you can see I'm having now Amazon design at the left side here at the bottom, which means I'm gonna be designing with the Amazon creators. What they tell you is to connect creators want to connect to your account. Here, once you click on this one, they are directing you to Amazon, and also what you do is to connect it to your Amazon account. What I will do first is to allow my account to be connected, and as you can see, my account is now connected. Export your design to share on Amazon. So what you can do is to export your designs to be able to share them to on Amazon. They are also giving you file type you need to be using, and also there are no limitations because I'm having Canva Pro. Now what you do is that I'm gonna be also clicking your design is empty. Try adding different styles because you have also to first design something so that you can be allowed to be now exporting the project. As you can see, I'm having Amazon creators, which is the features which has been added. What I have to do, I can come here, and also I have to come if I'm gonna be writing different information in my whiteboards. I'm gonna be adding them. Also, if I'm gonna be displaying different styles, I have to display the informations. And also I can be clicking on the elements and select a different projects. So now we are gonna end. And also if we have different kind of features, like have this tick mark, you can be clicking on it and also blink it here. So I have now different features, and I have to be able to customize them, all them here in my whiteboards. And at the end I'll be having different design. So there are decorations, different design that I'm done with my Canva, so you can see. And also what I do is to add different features to make it looking different. It depends on what you want to do. So now I'm doing this by using these whiteboards, but I don't have mainly the specific thing I want to produce. However, I want to combine these features to see if they can bring something like maybe it's a cover page for decorations, maybe it is something else I can be having. So remember, I'm using whiteboards, but you can decide to also to use different kind of styles, and also you can be ending up having different things. Now let's at the top add something like this one, and also add this. So you can see now if I click on this text and I have to click on effects and I come here, I want to make it looking different. So I want to, so now you can be even uploading different files. If you have images, you click on upload. And also I have draw. That is the other best picture, the best feature that you can be having when using Canva Pro. Let's for instance click on this one and say I have these pencils, so you can see I can be able to design, I can be able to write. If you are using this one, you can use it to write about when you are teaching math. For example, if you say 1, so this is 1 plus 1 equal, yes, that's something you can be using. For instance, I'm using this card because you can be able to reduce the width of your pencil, and once you be typing 1 plus 1 equal 2, so it depends on how you're going to be using this Canva Pro. So this is specifically for whiteboards, but you can also use different features. Let's for instance go back and select another one feature before we end up our video. So what we do is to bring a different feature which is not about whiteboards. Let's try to go to to templates and see what we can be getting. The templates are the ones for metrics. Let's see. Let's bring this, for example, if you try to bring this to whiteboards, you can see we are having these features, and also among these features we can now be able to see here they are showing like this as the series, feed series. You can see now tips. You can now be able to expand them and have your dashboard which is created. You can see you can be able to change the text. Now we can be able to even add another dashboard for our presentations to look appealing. If you want to be presenting data somewhere to someone else, let's say we have this one and you want to add this information. It all depends on what you need. Also, what you have to do after all, remember we have Amazon Creator and we need to export this file. Let's try to export it. Once we click on export, it's gonna be uploading our finalized project to Amazon Creator. You can see I can be able to post on Amazon directly. So what you see is now you can be able to even download the feature that you are done, and also you'll be having it in the way you need without any compress it to raw qualities. I'm allowed to use all those features. Also now if I want to be having, for example, 44 kilometers, the file size may produce raw quality, so now I have to not specify it because I need it. Now let's download it. Once I'm done, I will be having it on my computer and I can be able to share it to someone manually without waiting for it. Remember, we have videos, audio features. You have videos where you can be using it to create a video. For instance, if I need to create a video, I can be selecting this one and also be able to convert them. If I want to produce a marketing video, there are all the features that I can be able to consume. So also once you go to backgrounds, that is where you need to be choosing which background available. But here I'm not having one because I'm using whiteboards. If you need it, you need to come back and also create a new design which is going to be different from whiteboards. For instance, if I choose social media, I'm gonna be having this one. Let's say I want to be choosing Facebook cover, and also once I'm selected with Facebook cover, I will be having different styles. And also, as you can see, if I click on this, I have different features. I have templates, designs. Once I click on simple one, let's say I want to add this one. Once I'm added it, I'm having different projects. And also once I click on the background, you can see I have different backgrounds because I already have inserted these backgrounds. Also, this means that if the designs and the whiteboards are different, so you cannot see backgrounds in whiteboard, but you can see it elsewhere. So thank you for watching this video. So by now watching this video, you can be able now to have different features in the Canva Pro, and you can be able to use them like a professional, and also be able to produce the right output you want for your business, which is going to be helping you to manage everything. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section.